Namaste students. Kushra Bhatia, I JB and Dr. Y. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the virus reproduction. Viruses are obligate intercellular parasites, and there are 4 stages of the viral reproduction. Virus attached to the host cells and the nucleic acid, and which enters the cell and the new components. Virus components are assembled into new viruses. Viruses are released from the infected cells, that is by lysis. Okay. So the lysis or the virus reproduction followed by the 2 possible pathways, that is lytic and lysogenic cycles. Okay. So the release of the cells the lytic cells, the virus attacks the cells and immediately take over the and produces more of the virus. The host cell burst and the virus are released into the infect other host cells. Okay. The symptoms of the virus disease occur right after the infection. All virus goes through the stage of the lytic cycle. Virulent, how quickly a virus replicate and is being spread. The more virulent the lytic cycles, the virus attacks the cells and immediately take over the produces more of the virus. The host cell burst and the virus are being released into the infection and other cells. The symptom of the virus and occurs So the symptom of the virus occurs right from the infection, and all virus goes through the stage of the lytic cycle. The virulent, how quickly a virus replicates and it spreads. More virulent or the virus tend to follow the lytic cycle. Okay. So here you have to say the lysogenic cycles or the latent cycles allow the virus to stay the dominant in the cell and the several generations only occurs with some viruses. Okay, the virus attached to the cell and the viral genetic material enters the cell. The viral DNA is incorporated into the host DNA, forming a prophase. Okay, the host DNA plus the DNA viruses. Cell continue to replicating as a normal, producing daughter cells, and each of containing a prophase, or after being generations of the virus is activated and triggers and cause the disease by entering the lytic cycle. Triggering includes the time and also the illness of the stress. Okay. The retroviruses, most often the DNA in a cell is transcripted into the RNA, which is translated into the protein. So DNA, RNA, protein. So some viruses of the RNA, which they are able to convert into the DNA for insertion into the host genome using an enzyme carrier as by following the reverse transcriptase. Okay. So follows the lysogenic pathway before the transcription of the RNA and the translation of the protein. So RNA, DNA, RNA, protein. Okay. So it goes like that. So RNA to DNA and RNA to protein. So retrovirus mutates easily and therefore hard to develop. Most commonly infects the animal cells, causing the influenza and HIV virus or influenza. So this DNA to RNA to protein and so here the lytic phase can be divided into absorption phase, penetration phase, and replication phase and assembling phase. In the absorption phase, the virus tail fibers adheres the receptors part of the cell, host cell, or penetrating phase, the virus tail coat the contracted and inject into their own DNA into the cytoplasm of the cell. Previously, the member of the cell is falling down, caused by the lysosome in the base of the virus. Okay, so the DNA of the virus here, like thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We'll resolve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.